Hello children, welcome to this session. In this video we are going to learn how to calculate volumes for combined shapes. Now we are in chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. In that exercise 13.2 is completely of finding the volume of combination of different basic solids. Now we are going to solve question number 2. Turn your content book to page number 247 and see exercise 13.2 question number 2. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminium sheet. So here the combined shape is a cylinder with two cones. The diameter of the model, the complete model diameter is 3 centimeter. What does it mean, children? The radius and the diameter of cone as well as the cylinder are of equal measurement. And its length is 12 centimeter. The total length of the model is 12 centimeter. If each one has a height of 2 centimeter, if each cone height is 2 centimeter, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. They asked us to consider that the outer and the inner dimensions of the model to be nearly the same. When we are taking the dimension, what are the dimension here for the model, children? For cone, radius and height, and for cylinder also radius and height. Come, let's start solving the sum. Children, check the diagram here. This is the model made by Rachel, cylinder and with both the ends cones. What are the measurements given here? Diameter of the model is 3 centimeter, they said. So diameter is the diameter of the cone as well as the cylinder. Diameter of the cone and cylinder must be equal, if not she cannot attach it. See, the base of the cone is merged with the base of one end of the cylinder. So what is the base of the cylinder as well as the cone here, children? It is a circle. Since the base is circle, the diameter of that base, the total diameter BC is given as 3 centimeter. Then what is the radius? The radius BG is equal to 3 by 2 centimeter. So we found the radius of the model. Radius for both the cone and the cylinder. Now, length of the model is equal to 12 centimeter. The total length of the model from A till F, the total length of the model is equal to 12 centimeter, they said. Okay, that we understood that A to F, the length of A to F is equal to 12 centimeter. And then what else is given? Cone height is equal to 2 centimeter. How many cones are there? 2 cones. One in the left side and one in the right side. Height of the cone is equal to 2 centimeters. So which measurement? AG. The height of the cone is, one is AG, the other one is FH. AG measure here I marked 2 centimeter. The same way H to F is also equal to 2 centimeter. The total length is 12 centimeter, out of which one cone's measurement is 2 centimeter, the other cone's measurement is 2 centimeter. Then what is the remaining measurement? BD. BD is the height of the cylinder, that is equal to 8 centimeter. How we calculated that BD value is 8 centimeter? The cone height at one end is 2 centimeter. Cut this and take it off. And in the other end is also 2 centimeter. Cut here also and take it off. Remaining is the height of the cylinder. That cylinder height is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we got all the dimensions of the model. Height of the cylinder 8 centimeter. Radius of the cylinder 3 by 2 centimeter. Height of the cone is given in the question itself 2 centimeter. And radius of the cone is also same as the radius of the cylinder, that is 3 by 2 centimeter. Let's start solving the sum. What is the first calculation we have done? We found the radius of cylinder as well as the cone. How did we calculate that? Diameter by 2. that is equal to 3 by 2 centimeter. The first step. And secondly, what did we calculate here? We calculated the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder that we considered as H2 is equal to total length of the model minus height of two cones. On both the ends of the cylinder we have cones, right? So we subtracted the height of two cones. What is the total length of the model? Total length of the model is 12 centimeter minus 2 times of height of the cone. What is the height of the cone? 2 centimeter. That is 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8 centimeter. First we calculated all the dimensions. Now we are proceeding with the sum. Actually, what did they ask us to find out? Check what do we want to find out. The volume of air contained in the model. They themselves mention what do we want to find out? Volume. Children, unlike finding the surface area areas of combined shapes, this finding volume is very easy, because when we check for surface area, there are two surface areas. Inner surface area, which is otherwise called as curved surface area, which is otherwise called as lateral surface area. We need to find out whether we need to go for CSA or TSA, the total surface area. But here volume is, there is only one formula for volume of all basic solids. So finding volume is, you need not to get confused, or you need not to go for a second opinion or second thought. Simply substitute the volume formula of what and all basic shapes are there in that combined solid. So here what do we want to find out? We need to calculate the volume of air in the model. So that is the total volume of the model, which is equal to sum of the volumes of cylinder and 2 into volume of cones. There are two cones, right? So 2 cones volume we need to calculate. What is the formula for volume of a cylinder, children? Pi r square h2. The height of the cylinder we considered as h2, and the height of the cone we considered as h1, because both the height is different. The height of the cylinder is h2 and the height of the cone is h1, but radius for both cylinder and cone are same. Plus 2 into, what is the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h1. Now what do we have? Two terms. One is the volume of cylinder, the other one is the volume of cone. In which what and all is common? Take that out. Pi is common, I took pi out. Radius is common, that also I am taking out. So in the first term, what is remaining? Height of the cylinder is remaining, and in the second term what is remaining? 2 by 3 into height of the cone is remaining. Now substitute the value for all the dimensions here. Pi value I am taking as 22 by 7. Radius we found 3 by 2. Diameter is given 3 and we found the radius as 3 by 2 into the cylinder height is 8 plus 2 times of 2 by 3 into the height of the cone, that is equal to 2. 2 by 3 into height of the cone. Now when I am solving this, 2 and 22 I will cancel. I will get 11 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 11 it is 99. 7 into 2 it is 14 into, here I have 8 plus 4 by 3. Now take LCM here, children. Divided by 1 into 3 into 3 I will get the LCM. 99 by 14 into 24 plus 4 whole divided by 3. Now what is the product we have here? 99 by 14 into 28 by 3. Do cross multiplying. 14 goes 2 times with 28. 3 goes 33 times with 99. So 33 into 2 is equal to 66 centimeter cube. Here we calculated the volume in centimeter itself. Since all the dimensions of the model is given in centimeter, volume also we calculated as centimeter. Here the volume is 66 centimeter cube. Now I am repeating the sum, children. This exercise completely we are going to find out the volume of combination of solids. When you get a complete model or an article or a capsule, or if you get a beaker, container, whatever it is, divide that into basic solids. Here I got a model that I divided into a cone, and a cylinder and a core. Then find out all the dimensions like the diameter, radius, height, and then go for finding the volume of the model. Since it is volume, you need not to think too much. After finding the basic solids, just substitute the formula for the basic solids and the values for all the dimensions and execute the arithmetic operations to get the volume. The volume here we got as 66 centimeter cube. Thank you, children. Catch you in the next video.